Hey guys, welcome back. I got an unboxing for you guys today. This is the Airsoft GI Battlestar Mystery Box Series 1. You can see there. It went live, I believe, last Friday. Yeah, last Friday for $185.99. I used the discount code for 20.5% off and a $5 redemption that I had from them. So I think I got it for like $170. It's not bad. So let's see what I got. Get my knife out. Alright. Go on this side now. There we go. The box, well, the shipping information said that the box weighed 20 pounds. Picking it up and holding it, it didn't weigh 20 pounds. It feels a lot less than that. Airsoft GI tends to do that. I don't know, I guess that way they screw you over with the shipping fees. But let's see what I have here. Paper, yay, that's it for you guys. No, I'm just kidding. Let's see. Sides. Yeah, I knew it. Just telling by the weight automatically, I knew exactly what I was getting. Oh well. We'll see. Get that shit out of the way. Alright, there we go. Yeah, I got the TAR 21, SMT. Well, that's alright, I guess. I wanted the 10 version, I was going to get this. Alright, well, yeah, that was my unboxing. It wasn't very exciting, but it's okay, I needed another gun. One of my primaries went to shit lately, so this would be a good replacement filling in while I get my other one fixed up. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Thanks again for watching. See you guys next time.